Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, guys. And today I'm going to be showing you how to change the country setting in the Temu app or website. So let's actually get started. So first things first, guys. What I need you to do is I need you to open up the Temu app or just visit their website, log into your account if you're not already logged in. Next, guys, what I need you to do is look for the profile icon or the menu button, which is typically, located at the bottom right corner of the app or top right corner of the website. Tap on it, guys, to access your account settings. Then, guys, what I need you to do is I want you to scroll down and find the option labeled country or a region or something similar like that. Depending on your app version, you want to tap on it to see open its settings. And here, guys, you will find, a list of available countries. You just want to select your preferred country from the list. For example, if you want Poland, you can select that. And this will automatically adjust the app to display, the local currency, the shipping options, and a language if it is actually available, or you can select language from here as well. And finally, you just want to confirm your selection, and you're all set, guys. The app will now refresh, and your country settings, will now reflect your choice. And that's it, guys. Changing your country in Temu is super simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified the next time we upload, guys. I'll see you guys next time on Frequently Asked Questions.